Hi, Scott Dillon at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a new Harris Sunliner 230, 225 horsepower, fully optioned out, and white with titanium gray. So 230 Sunliner, this boat was completely redesigned for this year. So instead of the more traditional arc seating out on the front of the boat, they did these slope seating, basically like chase lounges in the front. So much more comfortable. You're sitting in the front of the boat. So if you like to sit up front facing backwards, substantially more comfortable than what it used to be. New Wet Sounds audio. So stereo is very, very good in this boat. Wet Sounds audio, 9-inch Simrad. New location for your battery switch, just a lot easier to get to. That's one thing that they did a really, really good job with this year. Fold out storage for your cooler can go in there, and they did a little recess up underneath here, so when you take your shoes off, you just got a place to stick them. So just it's done really, really well. Nice big 27-inch middle pontoon, so lots of storage down in the middle. Flip-flop backrest on this side. That'll also go down flat if you want to go down flat. Backrest also moves back that way if you want to face backwards while you're pulling kids on the skis and on the boards. But also 225 horsepower, the new lily pad ladder, which is just easily the best ladder in the industry. This one also has a power bimini, so if you pull in your dock, like keep the boat on a lift like Cedar Creek, Cypress Springs, any of those places, press a button, raise your bimini down, or press a button lower it down, raise it back up. Just makes life easy. Also, storage for your fenders on the outside. So this is a really, really nice boat. We have 3 more of them that should be here this week also. So if you like the boat, but you don't really love the color, chances are we got another one on the ground by the time you see this video. So if you got any questions about this or any others you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.